Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make money on Fiverr when you've got no skills and no knowledge. So Fiverr is a site where you can join as a freelancer and actually do gigs that will then you can earn money from those gigs. And it's a very similar site. You've got similar sites such as Upworker and Freelancer as well, so you could do these on those sites as well. But we're going to look specifically at Fiverr. We're going to show you 6 gigs that you can start today and set up, and you need no skills or knowledge at all, and you can start earning money. So let's jump over to the desktop and start counting down my top 6 ways to make money on Fiverr. Before we start counting down the top 6 ways to make money on Fiverr without any skills or knowledge, make sure that you obviously got your Fiverr account sorted first. And you can join for free. And what I'll do, I'll save you even having to look. I'll actually put a link in the description here to Fiverr where you can literally go and sign up. And it's free to sign up and free to obviously start earning money here. So that's the first thing you want to do. Go and check out Fiverr, go and sign up. Okay, so the first one, number 6 in my top 6 is going to be proofreading. As you can see here from the Fiverr, there are plenty of gigs around here. I'll edit and proofread your document. And she's charging, starting from, this is obviously in English, in pounds, because I'm in the UK. But that's about $50. She's starting $50 and she's going to proofread stuff for $50. So as long as you can obviously read English, and it's also good if you have got a different language, say for argument's sake you're native German and you can speak German, then it's very good if people want to obviously proofread stuff that they've got in German, because the amount of competition then obviously narrows down. So you're going to need no skills for this at all. All you need to do obviously is set up a gig and then obviously go and get some clients to do this. And like I say, this lady's got 10 stars here. She's only done 10 gigs, but they're starting from nearly £40. So it's about $55, that is, guys. This lady here, or this person here, again, exactly the same thing. They've got 133 gigs they've done, and they're starting from around £60. And they go up. Really, they go up high here, guys. This obviously lady here, she obviously does blog posts, guides, articles, and content, manuscripts, manuals, books, papers, all that sort of thing. So again, proofreading is going to be my number 6 way to actually go and earn money on Fiverr. Okay, so number 5 in the list as we count down, and the number 5 is going to be a website and software tester. Now, as you can see from Fiverr here again, we've clicked in website and software tester here on the search bar. And this is what comes up, guys. Look, I will test your software and website app. And he's charging over £11 for this privilege. This one's a little bit less. Obviously, he's only charging the $5, so $3.90 in English. And I will test your app, website, software, and will find bugs. And he's done 75 gigs here, guys. And all you're going to have to do is literally go onto the website or the software, test it, jot a few things down, a little bit of feedback for them, and then obviously submit that feedback back to them so they can make any necessary changes or improvements. So very, very easy to do. You don't need any real knowledge or skills on that. Obviously easy to set up and start earning cash. So that is number 5 on my list as we count down. Now remember, if you are new to this channel and you're liking what you see, make sure you smash up the like button. Also, make sure you obviously click on the subscribe button and obviously subscribe right now. And hit the notification bell as well, because then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. So let's carry on and let's go down to number 4. So number 4 is SEO reports. So as you can see here, we type that in. Lots and lots of people obviously got websites, blogs, that sort of thing, and they want to obviously rank those their articles and their blogs in the top of the search engines. So they want people to actually go and do an SEO audit, a report for them, and show them exactly where they need to obviously make improvements so that they can get higher up in the rankings. And as you can see here, this is I will create you an expert SEO report, a long-term action plan, nearly £50 per gig. and he's actually done over 1,000 gigs, guys. So that is actually £50,000 he's earned by doing this particular gig on Fiverr. So you may say, right, I don't know anything about SEO or auditing or anything like that. But don't worry, I'm just going to give you a site where you can go and actually check it out and create reports for free for your clients. So if you head over to a site called seoanalyzer.me, and this is totally free, you type in your website. So I'm going to put one of my websites in here. I know it's one I don't really use, so there should be lots of stuff that comes up. Okay, so this has worked its magic, guys, and as you can see, we've got a full report here that it's producing. So it's passed on certain things you can improve on, errors, starting the title tags, meta tags, all that sort of thing, headings it's going through, it's processing. So as you can see, this is building a full report that I could then actually go and pass on to a client. Now this takes a few minutes obviously to do, and it's even longer because I'm obviously recording my screen as well, so it's slowing down the internet. But there you go, it's starting to build even more stuff here, and it's like keywords, keyword consistency, HMM ratio, all that sort of thing that you may not even understand it, but you could go and take this, do this report, and then send it to your client, and you could charge 10, 20, 30 pounds for doing this. So as you can see, that's how simple, and with some of these that's probably what they do. This is again, this one here, I will provide a professional SEO audio report, audit report, and competitive website analysis, and that's over 100, near enough £100 starting from. And again, they've still done 122 gigs. This one here is nearly 1,000 gigs at, again, £50. This is after a very sought after niche on Fiverr. So this is obviously where it's going to rank quite high in my list of things you can obviously go and do without prior skills or knowledge, guys. And if you have got a bit of knowledge on this, even better. Okay, so we're now down to my top 3. Okay, so the top 3 now, we're into our top 3 of the Fiverr, of how to make money on Fiverr. And number 3 is video intros. Now, obviously, video is very good and very popular at the moment. You've got even videos on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and TikTok, but also you've got YouTube, and a lot of YouTubers are looking for video intros for their channels. Now again, you might say, well, I've got no skills, I've got no nothing I can actually produce videos on. So again, I'm going to give you a site where you can go and actually produce these intros very quickly, just by putting a little bit of information about the actual company or person you actually want to do the video for, and that is called Video Bolt. And as you can see here, this is the Video Bolt site, and you can see different video intros here that you can actually go and create, and that's how easy it is, guys. You could go and do this and obviously then send it to your actual client. So again, you don't need any skills to do this, and you certainly don't need any knowledge about video, etc. On Fiverr, there are loads of people are willing to obviously pay for this service. And again, as you can see here, this guy has put, I will do 10 stunning 4K animated logo intro videos. He's doing 10 and he's only still charging for $5. So it shows you how quick and easy you can go and do that on a site called something like Video Bolt. And he's done over 1,000 gigs again, guys. So he's actually earned over £5,000, $5,000 doing this. This one again is exactly the same, but he's only offering 5 amazing video intros. So that's half the amount of work. And again, this one here is charging a little bit more. He's charging $10, but he's obviously going to do it in the 24-hour period. But again, he's done over 1,000 gigs. So again, this is a really good gig to actually do. It's really popular, and people are prepared to pay some good money. This one here, obviously a little bit, he's doing a video trailer with logo animation, and he's charging nearly £20 for that. And again, he's done 75 gigs on that. Okay, so we're down to the top 2 now. The top 2 Okay, so number 2 in the list is commenting on blogs or videos. And again, this is very easy to do. You don't need any prior knowledge. And people, obviously, who've got blogs, they want comments on their blogs. And again, on YouTube videos, comments are great as well because obviously it makes more engagement. And when you get more engagement, then your blogs and your videos go higher up the rankings. It's as simple as that. So all what people want is obviously more comments and on their videos and blogs. And as you can see, again, you can offer this service. This is I will write a quality comment on your blogs, videos, or articles, $5. I will make comments on your blogs or social media posts even for $5. This one is $10, and this one is obviously a YouTube. I will comment wherever you need, and that is $5 again. What I would suggest, obviously, if you're going to do this, don't go and just literally put, oh, that was great, or something like that. Just watch the video, read a bit of the blog, something like that, and then comment with a really good comment that is associated with what they've written about. So make it a really good comment. Doesn't take a couple of minutes to do that, and you can still do quite a few in a day then and earn quite a bit of money. So that is number 2 in the list. So stay tuned. We're nearly at number 1, and this is such a simple thing to do, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can go and do it as well. So stay tuned for number 1. Okay, the number 1 way on my list of actually earning money from Fiverr without any skills or actual knowledge is removing background from an image. And this is so simple to do, guys. You can do it in just one click. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do it very soon. But as you can see here, I will professionally remove background from image at $5, and they've done 293. This one here, again, $5, 646 they've done. So again, it's quite a sought after thing. This one's over nearly 600 they've done, 400, 500. So as you can see, loads of different gigs here for doing just that. So let's just go and show you how quickly and easy you can go and do this. So I'm going to show you 2 different sites. One is called Canva, okay, which is free to join, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly go and do that. You do need the pro version in order to remove the background, but it's just a few bucks per month. The first thing you need to do, obviously, is upload an image. So let's just show you quickly. Let's just create a design. So we'll do a 300 by 200. So that gives us our template. Go into uploads here, and we'll scroll down. Let's take this image for argument's sake here. As you can see, it's me, and obviously I've got a background there. And then all I've literally got to do is click on the image, go to edit image, and then click on background remover. It does its stuff. Takes a few seconds. And boom, there we go. We have got the background fully taken away from that image. Now, when you actually download it over here, if you want a transparent background, which most people will, just click on transparent background and then just download the image. And there we are, guys. That's how quick and easy it is to actually go and create those images and take away the background. Now, obviously, this is a paid service with Canva. I fully recommend it because you can do loads of other different stuff with it. And I think it's only about $10 per month to actually do this. So by the time you've done 2 gigs, you could actually get your money back very easily. But another site you could actually go and use is called remove.bg. And all you'd have to do there is literally upload the image. So okay, then let's take this image here, open it up, and boom, it automatically removes the background for you. So again, all you've got to do here is then click on download and download that image. There's 2 sites you can actually go and use to actually provide the removal of the background from an image. And like I say, this is probably the easiest way to go and start earning money on Fiverr. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed those 6. So let me know in the comments if you're going to go and check out Fiverr and obviously start earning some cash. Okay, I trust you found that interesting, useful. If you did, obviously smash up the like button below. Obviously share this video so others can benefit from it as well. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make new videos. That's it for today. Make sure you watch this video next, and we will see you on the next video.